in this video we are going to see design a DFA over binary number sigma 0, 1, where first example which does not accept substring 0, 0, 0, and second example is which accept all string accept 0, 0 as a substring but not 0, 0, 0 as a substring. There these two examples are different. So first we will cover which does not accept substring 0, 0, 0. We will see how to solve such kind of example. So which does not accept substring 0, 1, 0, substring a, b, b over sigma is equal to a comma b, like this questions may be asked in university exam. Now first example. So first we will solve this example substring which accept 0, 0, 0. Okay. So we will design a DFA for substring 0, 0, 0. So DFA to accept substring 0, 0, 0. We saw example sigma is equal to a comma b, which is having a, b, b as a substring. Like that only we are going to solve this one. So 0, 0, 0 is a substring. So my language will have minimum string will be 0, 0, 0. Then 1, 0, 0, 0. This is also possible. This is also possible. So like this we will show our language with these substrings or these strings. Now minimum string is 0, 0, 0. So how many states required? Total states required 4. Okay. So we will show this like this. 0, 0. This will be my final state. Okay. This will be my final state. So we'll give name A, B, C and D. Okay. Now we have to show remaining transition for every step. So 0 transition for A is already over. Now we have to show 1 transition. If substring 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, this is acceptable. So here we can take self loop as a 1. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So we can reach to final state. So this is acceptable. So from A 1 transition, 0 transition over. Now if my string is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 like this. Okay. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 like this. This is acceptable. If my string is having 1 transition from B state, 0 transition is already done. So where we can show 1 transition? If I show 1 transition here, what will happen? 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, which is not having 0, 0, 0 as a substring. So we have to show 1 transition from B to A in this way. Okay. Again means 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. We are getting this as a substring. Now from C, 0 transition is already done. We have to show 1 transition. Again where we can show 1 transition? Again we have to show 1 transition from C to A, because if my string is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, that will be the correct one. So we have to show 1 transition from C to A only. Okay. Now from D up till from A, B, C and to D we got 0, 0, 0 as a substring. Now later on anything, if we got 0, 0, 0 as a substring, we can accept anything. So we can show transition from D 0, 1 as a self loop. Okay. So we can accept like this 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So we'll check whether this is acceptable or not. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, which is acceptable. Means after getting this as a substring, anything can be possible. Okay. Now this DFA is for what? Language which is having substring 0, 0, 0. But our example is what? Which does not accept substring 0, 0, 0. So we will convert this DFA in this way. We will get 0, 0, 0 as a not as a substring. So what will be? We are going to do here no need to draw another DFA. Here we are going to change only final state as a non-final state and non-final state as a final state. So A will be my final state, B will be my final state, C will be my final state, and D won't be a final state. Understood? So in this way we can show answer of this first example. So let us consider if string is 10010, okay, 10010 accepted. If string is 1000010, what will happen? 1001010, which is not a final state. That means this is rejected, but this is accepted. Why? Because this is having substring as a 000 and our language is not that. So in this way we can show answer of this DFA. Just interchange non-final to final and final to non-final. First find out substring for design a DFA for substring 000 and convert it as a in reverse manner. Okay. We see second example. Second example is slightly different than first example. In this example 00 will be our substring, but 000 will not be a substring. Okay. So first we will design a DFA which will have 00 as a substring. So if 00 as a substring, again here 00 will be minimum string. Okay. 100 is possible, 1100 is possible, like this. So here we'll design a DFA for this. 0 means 2 characters are there, so 3 states are required. So 0 and 0. Here we'll take A, B and C. C will be my final state because 00 is accepted. Now again we can show one transition over here. 11100 is accepted. We want 00 as a substring. Now from B, one transition we cannot show as a self loop. So we have to show one transition like this only, because 1101010 I am getting 00 as a substring. Okay. So from B one transition is shown. Now for C, from C, if there is one more 0, from C, if there is one more 0, that means this should not be accepted. But not 000 as a substring. So we are going to show 0 transition to dead state. So we are going to take one dead state, and over there if that string is having 000 as a substring, that should be rejected. Okay. So here this is our dead state, and for dead state also we shown 0 and 1 transition. Okay. Up till got it. Means 00 is substring possible, but 000 is not accepted, rejected. Now what about other example like this? If my string is 00100, okay, 100, how we can accept it? This is also acceptable. Okay, 001010, this should be acceptable. So for such kind of example we need to find out one transition from C. Okay, so one transition, how? We'll take one more state over there. We will give the name D, one transition. So here we will accept it. So how we can show? From dead state. Once we got 00 as a substring, this also become a final state. Okay, because after getting 00 as a substring, whatever may be there, but this string should not have 000 as a substring. So from C there will be one transition, C to D, and D will become our final state. Now from C 0 transition is done, 1 transition is done. Now we have to show 0 and 1 transition from D. If my string is 0 0 1 1 1 1, this should be acceptable. Okay, 0 1 0 1 1 1 1. So here we'll take this as a loop. Okay, 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 like this. Can we take one transition or self loop in here? We cannot take, because if we took one transition as a self loop, we cannot accept all types of string which comes under this language. So we have to take one more state, D state, on one transition. So from D we shown this one transition. Now from D, can we take self loop? No, we cannot take self loop. If we take 0 self loop, what will happen? We can accept any number of 0. So here we will take one more state, that will be our E state on 0 transition. Why we have taken one more state? Let us consider if my string is having 0 0 1 0 0 like this. So this should be a correct string. 0 0 1 0 0. So we cannot show, if we took 0 transition from this to this, what will happen? Here we are accepting 0 1 0 1 0 1, but we are not getting 0 0 as a substring. That's why we have taken one more state, that is a E state, and from T 0 transition we have shown. Okay, so 1, now 0. What about this E? That will become a final state. Why is it so? Because we already accepted 0 0 as a substring. So up till here C is final state, D is final state, and E also our final state. Okay, now we have to show 0 transition and 1 transition from this. If my string is 0 0 1, if my string is 0 0 1 0 1 0, this should be acceptable. 0 0 1 0 1 0, 0 0 1 0 1 0, this should be acceptable. Okay, so in this way we can show one transition from E to D. What about this 0 0 1 0 1 0 0, then 1 0, this is acceptable. So 1 0 0 1 0, then here we can show loop on 0. Again we can get, or there is a possibility to get 1 0 0 1 0 0, this is possible, and again there is a 1 0 0 1 0 0, so this is possibility. So we have to show from E to C on 0 transition. We cannot show 0 transition as a self loop on D, so we have to show on C. So we will get 0 0 as a substring, but not a 0 0 0 as a substring. So in this way we are getting our final DFA, which will have 6 states and 1 dead state, and here after C all will be, or C including C, D, E, all will be our final states. So in this way we can solve this example. So this finite automata is having 3 final states. So how we can show our transition diagram? Q sigma 0 1, here A B C D E, okay, C D E all will be final state. So from 0 1 0 1 0 5, 1 is D, from its D itself E, 0 is on C, and 1 is on D. Okay, so this example and first example is different, because there are 2 conditions. 0 0 should be a substring, but not 0 0 as a substring, but compulsory 0 0 should be a substring.
Video, click on like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Click on bell button to get notification of new videos. Thank you.